Hey guys, welcome to another Say Outdoors cooking. So tonight, I'm gonna show you how to cook some deer loin. So we defrosted it. I'm gonna chop it up, and we're gonna get this thing on the grill. So tune in. First of all, we're gonna trim this up a little bit. So you're just gonna want to take your knife and trim up a little bit of the fat here. Make sure you don't cut yourself. You don't want to get too deep, which I did right there. That's all right there. That's all good. This right here was like some skin or something. So then what I do is I came over here and I'm gonna cut like little mini steaks out of this loin. So about an inch thick right there. And then I'm gonna marinate them. So it turns out really good. Alright guys, now that we got this all cut up, we're going to throw this in. You can either throw it in a gallon bag or a dish like I have here, a plastic dish. And then what we're going to do, put that out of the way, we're going to put some extra virgin olive oil. Just put that in there. Kind of guess how much, doesn't really matter. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to put some teriyaki marinade. Doesn't have to be anything crazy. The Great Value works out just fine. I'm going to put a decent amount of that on there. I'd say it's probably equivalent to a capful of this right here. And then you can never go wrong with Worcestershire sauce. So I'm gonna stick that on there too. And 8, maybe 9 shakes. There you go. And it'll be good. So now we have that right there. And then we're gonna add some salt. You gotta remember, you gotta put a little bit more in here because we're gonna mix it up. And then we're gonna put some pepper. And then you just kind of want to mix it in. Get it all mixed up and nice and even. Get the olive oil and teriyaki sauce all kind of mixed up, and the Worcestershire sauce all evenly distributed. Make sure the pepper's not sticking to one side of the steak. So there you go. So see how it all kind of changed to a different color? That's what you want right there. So now we're gonna leave that sit. I like to leave it sit for about an hour. Now we're gonna start up the big green egg here. So here, let me show you what I got, what I'm working with. So this is the Big Green Egg Mini Max. I love this thing. So you can actually save your charcoal, as you can see right there. That's saved from the last time that I cooked. So kind of neat. So we're gonna take the charcoal heater starter. We're gonna start this up. Now we're going to put the grill grate back on there, let that heat up, and then we'll scrape it off. And always when you're cooking with a big green egg, make sure that you always shut the lid. And you got to take off the cap. And then also open up the bottom. guys, we're actually gonna do something a little bit different. We're gonna make some pizza with the cauliflower, like a cauliflower crust. So here it is. It's our attempt of making a cauliflower crust pizza. And then we're gonna put that deer on there as well. Gina's doing a fine job. The grill is ready. I got my deer that we marinated earlier. It's been about an hour. So there's the deer marinated. Now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna start laying these little steaks on the grill. We brought the deer in right there. Oh, brought the deer in, it's right there. We're gonna chop some up and then we're gonna put it on our cauliflower, what is it?
Crust.
The cauliflower crust. So we'll see how this turns out. But the deer is super good. Here, try it out.
Eat your fingers too. Yeah. There you go.
JJ. You want some deer? You wanna try it? Sit.
Dog approved.
We gotta give some to Lady Bear. Look at her crazy eyes. Crazy eyed Lady Bear. Ready?